Welcome to the series Microsoft Access for Historians. In this new video, I propose you a new exercise that combines all the stuff that we've been doing so far. Just before, just pause me and then go and do it and then see if you've done it right. First, I want you to use the table of person information that we created some exercise ago, and then create a new variable for sex and fill it up with some mistakes. So this is very much like the previous video. Then create a variable entry person and do not fill it up, and then use actually an update query to fill that up. So that's the first use of the update query, and in another update query then you have to correct the mistakes in sex. Okay, so just go ahead and good luck. I'll wait. So now we start. We use the table of person information. This is the one that we have from before, and then we just add a little more. We can put it here so it goes in into rows, and then sex. It went down. So sex, it's a short text. It's perfectly fine. And then yeah, I save it and I fill it up. So this should be female, female, female. Whoop, apparently everyone is female in this database. Male, male, male. But wait, I've just all of them are the same way. What about if we just yeah, let's do this. Let's just forget the A, and then these are the mistakes that I'm going to be able to need to correct. Okay, and then I forgot to add the entry person, so I'm going to also add it here so that it appears closer. Then data entry person, and then it's a short text, and that's fine. Okay. So we have sex with problems, and then data entry type. It should be data entry person. That's okay. Empty. Good. Yes, change it, and then you see. So yeah, we've up to 3, and then we use an update query to fill entry person. So go to create, query design. And then we are talking about person information this time, and the variables. So first I just check everyone just to see what I'm working with. Okay, this is our 7 people, and it is this field that I'm interested in. So I basically just get rid of everything else. So it doesn't bother me. I mean, it is not necessary, but I think that it's useful to just see that the only thing that I want to work with in an update query is this, a column of data entry person, and then the criteria. There's no criteria because I want just to update all of them, and then I go to update, and it tells me what do you want to update to. So you just fill in your own name. I'm just gonna write Barbara again, and I run. I'm gonna update 7 rows. Yes, I save it. I don't think it was in the instructions, but it's always a good idea. Update to person data, data entry person. So we remember what we've done. So here it is. I close it. I go to person information, and then here it is. Barbara has been Barb appears. So good. We've used the first time an update query. And now we use update query again for this sex. First thing that we do is just create a query design. Go out table. We are doing this so many times, so you have to get used to be quick about it. So we just put sex and sex, and then when I just check the totals and count. And in this case, we see, okay, that the problem was that male is only written well once, and then we have this in male. So this is what we need to fix. The occasions with sex contains MLE. Good to know. And it's only 2 cases, so take out totals, take out this one, and review. So these are our 7 cases. These are the ones that we need to fix. So in criteria, MLE, that's the wrong spelling, and this is what we need to correct. Okay, so we have only selected 2 rows and only these 2 fields, so we should be fine. So we go to an update, and then we have the update here. So we write mail, and then we run to rows that checks out, and then we save it again. Object and update run. For some information, I'm just writing the name of the table because we have been doing so many queries that it's going to get confusing. From long span. So this is saved. Let's see what's happened here, and then we see that okay, it checks out. Our table has been changed, and we haven't been able, and everything seems to be according to plan. So good work. You know now how to update queries, and this is really simple. But then with the new videos, you'll see that it comes really handy, and then we use this all the time. Okay, so see you.